3, 9. Divisibility of 5, 10, 11. Then co-prime concept. Any overlapping of concept? You have to take care of that. You can't overlap the thing. Because you have to date someone, you have to tell the real name. वहां पे नाम की overlapping होगी, दिक्कत हो जानी है. Same for the concept also. Fine. So next is divisibility of 7, 13, 19. I told you we prefer school method. But there is one wonderful concept which has been asked in UPSC, and that is so wonderful concept can be asked again. Like here, have you heard about, like there is a lake in Manipur, Loktak Lake, and there is a national park, Kebul Lamjau. Multiple question has been asked. Every 2 years on an average there is a question from that. And here again it can be asked because that is so important. Similarly here, the concept which I will teach today has been asked already, but it doesn't mean UPSC will not repeat that, can ask again also, because that is really a wonderful concept. Okay, the concept here is, like here, divisibility of 7, divisibility of 11, divisibility of 13. And you can see most of the time in UPSC question, you find they are asking 7, 11, 13. I tell you the concept behind this. Okay. Like here, in 2023, they have asked question. And those who have given attempt that year, they find like direct question from our notes. And here in 2015, they have asked question based on a concept which I'm going to cover right now. See, if we have a 6-digit number in the form of ABC, ABC. We have 6-digit number in the form of ABC, ABC. लिख लो काम में. ABC, ABC. And let me take 3, 4 examples so that you can understand. Like I take number 1, 2, 3. So there should be repetition of this 1, 2, 3. See, idea is 6-digit number ABC, ABC. It can be expressed as ABC into D, E, E, D. In 2015, they asked about D, E. And in 2023, they asked divisibility of 7, 11, 13. See, there is a concept. If we have 6-digit number where we have repetition of this like ABC, ABC, how we can express this number? Just see here. Like here, 1,23,123. Actually, what is this? 1,23,000 plus 123. So can I break this number as 1,23,000 plus 123? You can check 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Any 6-digit number which is in this form, we can write like this. Next step, can I break it as 123 into 1000? Plus it is 123 into 1. Next step, you take 123 common. This is 1000 plus 1. So it is 123 into 1001. So here, if we have 6-digit number 123, 123, we can express it as 123 into 1000. Can I say this number is a multiple of 1001? मतलब ये 123 into 1001 है. You have to focus on this 1001. Then I will connect the dot. I will tell you the concept here, which has been asked, can be asked again and again. I take two more example. Like I take number 456, 456. It is 4,56,456. We can write it as 4,56,000 plus 456. After that, can we express it as 456 into 1000 plus 456 into 1? Yes. Take 456 common. This is 1000 plus 1. So it is 456 into 1001. नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं एबीसी एबीसी होगा वो ए कुछ और भी फॉर्म हो सकते हैं जस्ट वेट ठीक है see here idea is if any 6-digit number is there which is in this form abc abc where this 3-digit repeat we can conclude that will be a multiple of 1000 for sure ऐसा नंबर हमेशा 1001 का मल्टीपल होगा ही होगा एंड इट इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल फॉर माई नंबर ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे बॉक्स से कबूतर निकलेगा यू कैन ट्राई योर ओन नंबर ऑल्सो आई टेक वन एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉम दिस ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट्स वन फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट यू टेल मी एनी 6-digit number but it has to be in the form of abc abc See, idea is he asked me to take 999999. Here, one more thing. It doesn't mean ABC has to be different. It can be same. ये same भी हो सकता है. But only the thing, this 3-digit should repeat. It can be 112, 112. ABC can be different, can be same also. It can be 1 to 1, 1 to 1. But it cannot be like 1 to 1, 3, 4, 5. यहां नहीं काम करेगा ये. Here when there is a repetition of this 3-digit, that type of number are always multiple of 1001. Like here, I try this. या मैं ये ले लेता हूं 112, 112. So can I write is 1,12,000 plus 112? Yes. Because it is 1,12,112. Now here it is 112 into 1000 plus 112 into 1. We will take 112 common, 1000 plus 1. So now here it is 112 into 1001. Any number. Like here 9, online student, you can write in comment any 6-digit number 678 678 yes ये भी 108 108 I take 678 678 I can tell you without solving it is nothing it is 678 into 1000 I can prove it this number is in the form of 678 into 1001 like here you can break it it is 6,78,000 plus 678 it is 678 into 1000 and here it is 678 into 1 you take 678 common 1000 plus 1 so here this number is nothing it is in the form of 678 into 1000 it means if you have a 6-digit number which is ABC ABC it can be expressed as ABC into D और 1001 लिख लो 1000. ठीक है, it is always 1001. So now here you tell me any 6-digit number which is in this form, it is always a multiple of 1001, and I told you 1001 is nothing, that is 7, 11, 30. It means if any number is multiple of 1001, that number is always divisible by 7, always divisible by 11, always divisible by 30. If I ask you whether this 112, it is divisible by 7, don't waste your energy. Yes. Is this number divisible by 11? Yes. Is this number divisible by 13? Yes. But 7, 11, 13, why? Because of this 1001. Because this number is divisible by 1001 and 1001 is nothing, 7, 11, 13. That's why this type of number are always divisible by 7, 11, 13. Now I ask you, here 987, 987. Tell me, is this number divisible by 7? Yes. Divisible by 11? Yes. Divisible by 13? Yes. So for divisibility of 7, 11, 13, we have special case. So it is a special case for a divisibility of 7, 11, 13, which is important for exam point of view. So here, if there is any 6-digit number which is in this form, is always divisible by 7, 11, 13. If I ask you 445, 445, is this number divisible by 7? Yes. 11? Yes. 13? Yes. Always. Why? Because this number is nothing, it is 445 into 1001. This type of number are always multiple of 1001, and 1001 is nothing, 7, 11, 13. So if any number is a multiple of 1001, that is always divisible by 7, always divisible by 11, always divisible by 13. Last class you got one handout. In that handout we have question number 6 and 7 based on this concept, which is UPSC previous year questions. गणेश से पूछिए ये वाला हैंडआउट जो कल दिया था इसमें कहाँ है? इस तरफ है, इस तरफ है, इस तरफ है, इसमें बोर्ड में है कहाँ? वो छुपा हुआ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, फॉर एनी चॉइसेस ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ x, y and z. It means x, y, z can be same, can be different. The 6-digit number in the form of x, y, z is always divisible by. ठीक है, आंसर ऑप्शंस लिखे हुए हैं. आंसर ऑप्शन है 7 and 11 only. Answer option B is 11 and 13 only. Answer option C is 7 and 13 only. Answer option D is 7, 11 and 13. क्या नाम से है? So here a 6-digit number in the form of x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z is always divisible by 7. Thank you. मिल गया. Always divisible by 7, always divisible by 11, always divisible by 13. Why? Because this type of number are always multiple of 1001, which I have explained. So here direct answer is D. And I tell you, this concept they have not asked not only in 2023. Same concept has been asked in 2015. Can you see A, B, C into D, E, E, D is equal to ABC, ABC. Where A, B, C, D, E are different digits, what are the value of D and E? We can't say A, B, C, but D, E, E, D, guarantee say it is always 1, 0, 0, 1. You can try at your home. You take any 6-digit number in this form and you try to express in this form of ABC into D, E, E, D. This D, E, E, D is always 1001. So what is the value of D? 1. What is the value of E? 0. So our answer here is C. Now here, if I ask you 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6 into 1001. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9 is equal to 7, 8, 9 into 1001. Is this number divisible by 7? Yes. Is this number divisible by 11? Yes. Is this number divisible by 13? Yes. But here we have one higher concept based on this same logic and has been asked in 2023. But let us practice some question on that concept, then you will be comfortable. I take this number 3, 3, 3 and I repeat 3, 3, 3. It is also in the form of ABC, ABC. ABC are same, but it is same. My simple question, is this number divisible by 7? Yes. Is this number divisible by 11? Yes. Is this number divisible by 13? Yes. But now here concept is, this concept not only applicable for 6-digit number, it is applicable for pair of 6-digit number. If I take a number which have 12 digit, these are the 6 digit, then I take 6 more digit. I have a number which have 12 digit, 333, 333, 333, 333. I have a number which have 12 digit, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And my question to you, if I divide this number by 7, what is my remainder? What you can say, the concept is, this 6-digit number are exactly divisible by 7, 11, 13, and here also these are also divisible by 7, 11, 13. Every pair of 6 digit, if all these 6 digit are same, is exactly divisible by 7, 11, 13. If it is in the form of ABC, ABC, and we have repetition of the pair, then also it is exactly divisible, remainder is 0. If I have 18 digit, like here we have 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. I have a number n having 7 as a digit 18 times. If I divide this number by 13, if I divide this number by 13, what is the remainder? So our concept is, here as per the rule, this 6 digit are exactly divisible by 13. This 6 digit are exactly divisible by 13. This 6 digit are exactly divisible by 13. Because of the concept of ABC, ABC, and the pair of ABC, ABC, this complete number is exactly divisible by 30. So either you have 6 digit or you have pair of 6 digit that are also exactly divisible by, and this concept is applicable for only 7, 11 and 13. अगर इसी को पूछ लेता ना, if I divide it by 8, don't overlap the concept. फिर 8 में कुछ और concept लगेगा. It is this ABC concept is applicable for only 3 divisors, 7, 11, 13. I ask you some higher questions. I write on board. A number n is formed by writing 9 for 60 times. A number n is formed by writing 9 for 60 times. What is the remainder if n is divided by 13? Why? Because we have exact pair of 6 digit. See here, we have 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 60 times. So we have 10 pair of 6 digit. Since we have exact 10 pair of 6 digit, every pair is exactly divisible by 13. So our remainder is 0. But now be careful. If I change this question, a number n is formed by writing 9 for 7 times. 9 for 7 times. What is the remainder if n is divided by 13? 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. What you can do, these 6 digits are exactly divisible. The remaining digit will decide what is the remainder. So here this single 9 will decide. This 9 divided by 13, your remainder is 9 itself. If we have exact pair of 6 digit, okay. If you have some extra digit, then those digit will going to decide. जैसे अभी इसमें a number n is formed by writing 9 for 8 times. 9 for 8 times. What is the remainder if n is divided by 13? You have 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. This 6 digit give exact pair of 6 digit, exactly divisible. Only the last two 9 will decide what is your remainder. So you divide it by 13. 13 7 are 91. So your remainder is 8. If it is a 1 digit, 12 digit number, then it is exactly divisible. No, then it is not applicable. It is only applicable ABC, 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 ABC. मैं अभी इतना दिमाग नहीं लगाऊंगा, वो थीम बेस्ड लेक्चर में बहुत ज्यादा दिमाग लगाएंगे. A number n is formed by writing 9 for 9 times. Take your time. What is the remainder if n is divided by 30? This is my question. A number n is formed by writing 9 for 9 times. उसमें 9 times आया. What is the remainder if n is divided by 30? So here what we have 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. These 6 digits are exactly divisible. Only this 3 9 will decide. So here this 999 we divide by 13. So here 91, 89, 78. So here remainder is 11. अगर मैंने कोई गलती नहीं, okay, fine. Similarly, if I ask a number n is formed by writing 9 for 15 times. 9 for 15 times. What is the remainder if n is divided by 13? Same. Why? Because we have 2 pair of 6 digit plus we have 3 9 extra. Only this extra 9 will decide. If you have exact pair of 6 digit, that is exactly divisible by 7, 11, 13. Extra digit are going to decide. If I say a number n is formed by writing 9 for 602 times. I have 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 602 times. And if, what is the remainder if n is divided by 30? Can we say it has 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 602 times? Here up to 602, 600 give exact pair of 6 digit. So here how many extra digit you have other than pair? 2. Category 1 okay. ये 2 कहां से आया? Because 602, if you divide it by 6, up to 600 we have exact pairing, we have 2 extra 9. Exact pairing of 6 digit give remainder 0. Only the extra 9 will decide. There are 2 9 which are going to be extra. This 2 9 will decide what is your remainder. So this 9 divided by 13 give your answer 8. Now I take one question asked in 2023 where many students they left this question, but now you see we will manage it. Question number 8. Yesterday handout PYQ, a number n is formed by writing 9 for 99 times. What is the remainder if n is divided by 13? 11, 9, 7, 1. So we have 99 times and we have to divide it by 13. So here what you have to do, you have to take exact pair of 6 digit. So 99 divided by 6, 96 are the exact pairing of 6 digit. How many extra 9 we have? 3. We have 3 extra 9 other than exact pair. So can we say this 3 extra 9 will decide the remainder? So here this 999 we divide by 13 and we get our answer 91, 89, 78. So our remainder is 11 and this is our answer. So this is our first concept. Is this point clear? ABC, ABC, not only ABC, ABC, if we have more pair of 6 digit, that is exactly divisible by 7, 11, 30. That type of number are exactly divisible by 7, 11, 30. It can be ABC, 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 ABC. It can be 12 digit. It can be 18 digit. It can be 24 digit. Or it can be pair of 6 digit. Second concept. A number in the form of AB0, AB. AB0, AB. Is also divisible by 7, 11, 30. क्योंकि ये भी 1001 का मल्टीपल है. I will explain. Any number which is a multiple of 1001 is always divisible by 7, 11, 30. I explain. Like I take 45045. 45,045. I write it as 45,000 plus 45. I can write it as 45 into 1000 plus 45 into 1. Then this is 45 bracket 1000 plus 1. So it is 45 into 1001. So can we say this 45045, this type of number AB0, AB, these are nothing, these are AB into 1000. If there is a 5-digit number which is in the form of AB0, AB, it is always a multiple of 1001. Since it is always a multiple of 1001, this number is always divisible by 7, 11, 30. Now if I ask you 97097, is this number divisible by 7? Yes. Divisible by 11? Yes. Divisible by 13? Yes. Or can I express this number as 97 into 1001? Yes. Same thing, not only 5 digit. If it is in the form of AB0, AB, AB0, AB. It can be pair of AB0, AB. दैट ऑल्सो वर्केबल. जैसे एबीसी एबीसी का पेयर काम कर रहा है, AB0 AB पेयर इज ऑल्सो वर्केबल. If I give a 10 digit number 1201212012, and if I ask you if this number divisible by 7, yes. Is this number divisible by 11, yes. Is this number divisible by 13, yes, because it is a pair of AB0 AB, where A and B can be same, can be different. ये भी हो सकता है 11011 11011, ए और बी सेम भी हो सकते हैं, दैट इज नॉट ए बिग डील. ए बी सी कैन बी सेम, जैसे ये था 999999, बट इट हैज टू बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रिपीटिशन ऑफ 3 डिजिट, और इट हैज टू बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ AB0 AB. Is the second concept clear? 5 digit number which is in the form of AB0 AB is always a multiple of 1001. Since it is a multiple of 1001, divisible by 7, 11, 13. Third concept, 4 digit number which is in the form of A00A is always divisible by 7, 11, 30. हाँ, वो तो फिर दो पेयर को मिक्स कर दोगे, काम करेगा. देयर इज अ डाउट फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट. अगर एक क्वेश्चन है जिसमें नंबर है ABC ABC AB0 इज इट डिविजिबल बाय 7? यस, क्योंकि इट इज ए मिक्स ऑफ 2 पेयर विच आर मल्टीपल ऑफ 1001. ये 7 से डिवाइड हो रहा है और ये भी हो रहा है, तो इट मींस इफ देयर इज अ मिक्स ऑफ 2 कंसेप्ट तो काम करेगा. बट ऐसा क्वेश्चन मैंने पहली बार जीवन में देखा है. पूछ ले क्या था यूपीएससी. इट इज एप्लीकेबल क्योंकि इट इज ए मिक्स ऑफ 2 कंसेप्ट. एनी डाउट? फाइन. Question number 1 to 3 I ask you to solve. 4 and 5 I already discussed. 6 and 7 I discussed. 6, 7, 8 बचा 9. ठीक है, let us complete this first, then we start the new topic, factors. ठीक है. How many of you have tried question number 1? Question here is an 8 digit number 425274B46B leaves remainder 0 when divided by 3. How many value of B are possible? Many students, what they do, they mark answer 3 because they don't read the question carefully. Question here is 42527446B. ठीक है, is exactly divisible by 3. And we know what is divisibility of 3? Sum of the digit. So we check sum of the digit. 4 plus 2 6 plus 5 11 13 13 plus 7 20 24 6 30 30 plus B. So it means 30 plus B should be divisible by 3. So they think if we replace B by 3 and it is divisible by 3, वो सोचते हैं कि B को 3 से replace कर देंगे तो ये 3 से divide होगा. Yes, होगा. You can check. 42527463 is exactly divisible by 3. But you have to read question very carefully. Here they are not asking what is B. They are asking how many different value of B are possible. B के प्लेस पे कितनी different value आ सकती है. How many value of B are possible. So here I tell you at place of B you can put 0 क्योंकि 30 तो already divide हो ही रहा है. You can put 3, you can put 6, you can put 9. How many different value at place of B you can have? 4. So your answer is 4. In 2019, many students they are mark answer 3 or 6. उनको लगा B पूछ रहा है, वो B नहीं पूछ रहा. वो पूछ रहा है how many value of B are possible. Like I'm not asking you how many rupees I have. I'm asking how many different currency I carry. ये उस तरह का क्वेश्चन है. I'm not asking what is B. I'm asking how many different value of B are possible. हाँ जी. 33 3 से डिवाइड नहीं होता. 36 3 से डिवाइड नहीं होता है. 39 3 से डिवाइड नहीं होता है. होता है. आप B के प्लेस पे you can try one thing. At place of B you put 0. I guarantee this entire number is divisible by 3 क्योंकि total 30 बनेगा. At place of B you put 3. Your total will be 33 which is divisible by 3. At place of B you put 6, then also it is divisible by 3. At place of B you put 9, then also it is divisible by 3. तो B की कितनी डिफरेंट वैल्यू पॉसिबल है? दे आर नॉट आस्किंग व्हाट इज B, दे आर आस्किंग डिफरेंट वैल्यू एट प्लेस ऑफ B 4. सो करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Two statements are given followed by two conclusion. Statement number 1, all number are divisible by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. Statement number 1 means numbers are like divisible by 2. But statement number 2 says all number are divisible by 3. वो number 3 से भी divide होते हैं. तो then conclusion, all number are divisible by 6. Yes. This is our concept of co-prime. If a number divisible by 2 as well as 3, that number is divisible by 6, which we have studied yesterday. I tell you, like here you can check 6, 12, 18, see here 24. You check all these number are divisible by 2. Yes. All these number are divisible by 3. Yes. But whereas second conclusion is all number are divisible by 4, like 16. It is divisible by 4. It is divisible by only 2, not 3. So here we can't follow the second conclusion. Only first conclusion can be followed, because if all number are divisible by 2 as well as 3, it means this number has to be divisible by 6. अगर कोई नंबर 2 से और 3 दोनों से डिवाइड होता है तो वो 6 से होगा ही होगा. Is this clear? So answer is A. Next is question number 3. A digit n is greater than 3 is divisible by 3. एक डिजिट है जो 3 से बड़ी और 3 से डिवाइड होती है but not divisible by 6. तो can we say we can take n is 9? Tell me a digit which is greater than 3 and divisible by 3 but not divisible by 6. 9. Which one of the following is divisible by 4? You put value of n is 9. What is this? 2 into 9, 18. Is this 18 divisible by 4? No. What is 3n? 27. Is 27 divisible by 4? No. 2n plus 4. 18 plus 4, 22. Is this divisible by 4? No. Answer option D is 3n plus 1. 3 into 9 plus 1, 27 plus 1, 28. Out of the given answer option, only D is divisible by 4. So here our answer is D. You have to be careful about the question. Question कह रहा है एक डिजिट जो 3 से बड़ी है, a digit n greater than 3 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 6. N is greater than 3, divisible by 3. What are number greater than 3 divisible by 3? 6 and 9. But it is not divisible by 6, so it can't be 6. So we have n is 9. Then you can try out of the given answer option which one is divisible by 4. Only D will fit in your question. Question number 4, I repeat, yesterday some student they asked me in the doubt session, when a certain number is multiplied with 7, the product entirely comprises of ones only. उस product में सिर्फ 1 आए, it cannot be 2, 3, 4 other digit. In your product, it has to be 1, 1, 1. What is the smallest such number? Answer options are available. So what you do, you multiply it with 7. See in your product, we are getting 1, 1, 1 or other than 1. Then you try B, C, D. I know answer is D, or even you also know. 15873 multiply with 7. 7 3s are 21, 2. 49 plus 2, 51. 56 plus 1, 61. 35 plus 6, 41. 4. 7 plus 4, 11. And can you connect this number with the today's lecture? It is a 6-digit number in the form of ABC, ABC. It has to be divisible by 7, 11, 30. तो यहाँ पे 6 digit बन जाएंगी 1, 1, 1, 1, which is divisible by 7. And what is the smallest such number? कि उसको अगर 7 से multiply करेंगे, our product value will have only ones. See, when I will take theme-based lecture, other than conventional learning, I tell you use answer options. हम वर्क करेंगे कि आंसर ऑप्शंस भी यूज किए जा सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. आई हैव डिस्कस ऑलरेडी. दिस इज 3798125P369 which is divisible by 7. So you have answer option available 1679. First you try 1 here. ठीक है, you try divided by 7. Then you will find it is not exactly divisible. Then we have tried 6. So if you try 6 here, this is 35. Then we get 29, 28. We get 1 and 8, 14. Then we get 4 and 1, 35. 6 and 2, 56. 6 and 5, 63, 2 and 6, 21, 5 and 3, 49, 4 and 6, 42, 4 and 9. Remainder 0. If you put 6 at place of P, you will find this entire number divisible by 7 and we get the answer. This question number 6, right now we have covered XYZ, XYZ. This type of number are always divisible by 7, 11, 30. This is same concept. 6-digit number in the form of ABC. ABC is always expressed as ABC into 1001. Here in this question, 1001 is expressed as DEED, where value of D is 1, E is 0. This question I explain you, there is a 6-digit number 999, 999, 12-digit number, 18-digit, 24-digit. When we have exact pair of 6 digit, this type of number are always divisible by 7, 11, 13. But if it is not exact pair, only the extra digit will decide what is your remainder. We have 99 digit. Up to 96 digit we have exact pairing. 96 तक तो exact pair है. We have only 3 extra 9. So in this number 3 extra 9 will decide what is your remainder. One more question, then we start next topic. Question number 9. R and S are different integer, both divisible by 5. Both divisible by 5. You can take 5 and 10. You can take 5 and 15. 10, 15 you can take. Then which of the following is not necessarily true? R minus S is divisible by 5. R into S is divisible by 25. R square plus S square is divisible by 5. Here I tell you answer is B. I tell you कैसे. R plus S is divisible by 10. Maybe, may not be, but you cannot say necessarily, always. You take R15, S10. R and S are different integers, both multiple of 5. You take R15, S10. This is also one of the thing where check the question with the value, put value. कुछ value put करके भी आप question check कर सकते हो. What is 15 plus 10? 25. Is this 25 divisible by 10? No. So it means you can't say R plus S is always divisible by 10. Maybe if R is 20, S is 10, so it can be. But आप मुझे compel नहीं कर सकते कि yes always, necessarily always. That is not possible. Slowly and gradually we will be comfortable कि sometimes we use answer option, sometimes we try to put the value and come to the conclusion. So we have all these ideas with us. My concern is this concept clear? Divisibility of 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, digit, 1 digit, 2 digit, 3, 4, 5. Divisibility of 3 and divisibility of 9, sum of the digit. Then third thing is divisibility of 7, 11, 13, special case. Special case is ABC, ABC, or a pair of ABC, ABC. AB0, AB, or A00, A. Any doubt? Question number 8, answer is 11. A. Online students? Factors. Before I give you the shortcut of like number of factors, sum of factor, product of factor, like here 24. What are the factor of 24? 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4, 6. Factors always come in pair. 1 and 24 product is equal to number. तो इससे थोड़ा easy रहता है. Right? 24 has 8 factors. Like 48. What are the factor of 48? 1, 48, 2, 24, 3, 16, 4, 12, 6, 8. Because it is not divisible by 5. It will save your time. But इससे आगे जाएंगे अब. Because manually I don't advise. We have short trick that we work today. So 48 has 10 factors. 36. What are the factor of 36? 1, 36, 2, 18, 3, 12, 4, 9, 6. क्योंकि 6 make pair with 6 only. Then how many factor? 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. We have two wonderful observation here. This is a perfect square number. That's why 6 into 6 not possible. There is only one 6. नहीं तो यहाँ देखो 1 into 36 is equal to 36, 2 into 18 is equal to 36, 3 into 12 is equal to 36, 4 into 9 is equal to 36. ये pairing बनती है. This is called pairing. Pairing of factors. By pairing what we mean, their product is exactly equal to number. ये देखो pairing. 1 into 24 give you exact number 24. 2 into 12 give you number 24. 3 into 8 give you 24. So 3 and 8 make one pair. 4 and 6 give you 24. So that is a pair. but only in case of perfect square number, since 6 into 6 is 36, so ये अकेला रह जाएगा. And because of that, we have two wonderful observation on number of factors. ठीक है, we revise or we write. पहली observation क्या है? Number of factors in a perfect square number are always odd. Number of factors in a perfect square number are always odd. We write some of the example. For example, 36 has 9 factors. You can check 25. 25 has how many factor? 3. 25 के कौन कौन से factor है? 1, 5, 25. 25 is also a perfect square number. 25 has 3 factors. 49. Tell me, 49 has how many factor? 1, 7, 49. Because it is a perfect square number. Number of factor in a perfect square number are always odd. Try 100, 64. You check any of the perfect square number, उसके जो number of factors होते हैं वो हमेशा odd मिलेंगे. You try anyone. 16. 16 has 5 factor. 1, 16, 2, 8, 4. So you can write 16 has 5 factors. Second observation here is number of factors in a non-perfect square number are always even. Like here, for example, 24 has 8 factors. 48 has 10 factors. I give you one example. Quickly try 20. Just find 20 has how many factors. थोड़ा जल्दी कंक्लूड करते हैं ना. 6, 8 ज्यादा हो गया ना. बिना निकाले आंसर कैसे बोल देते हो आप लोग? इतना कॉन्फिडेंस कहां से आता है ये? इंटरव्यू में तो 200 प्लस आएंगे सबके. बिना चेक किए 8 है ना. 1, 20, 2, 10, 4, 5. 20 has 6 factor because 20 is a non-perfect square number. ये किसी भी वैल्यू का स्क्वायर नहीं है. So here you write 20 has 6 factors. I have to tell you shortcut for number of factor. I have to tell you shortcut for sum of factor. I have to tell you shortcut for product of factors. हाँ formula. 3 चीजें. I have to take class test also. चौथी चीज. पांचवी चीज you decide there is 2 conceptual questions. Okay. उसकी वजह से थोड़ा सा क्लास लंबी भी जा सकती है. नो प्रॉब्लम ना. यही सुनना चाह रहा था. In the very second regular classes, I ask you statement based question. ठीक है, अब भी से हम statement based question start कर लेंगे. My question is, Statement number 1, find the value of n. First statement is n is a 2-digit number. n जो है वो एक 2-digit number है. Second statement, number of factors in n are odd. Of n, number of factors of n are odd. Third statement, n is a perfect cube number. n is a 2-digit number, n is a perfect cube number, and number of factors of n are odd. Actually, examiner indirectly mentioned that n is a perfect square number. आप बोलोगे कहीं लिखा तो है नहीं. This second statement itself mean n is a perfect square number because number of factor in a perfect square number are always odd. Perfect square में ही number of factors odd मिलते हैं, नहीं तो non perfect में नहीं मिलते. तो second statement is just to check your conceptual clarity whether you know कि perfect square number के factors odd होते हैं. Now question is actually, can you tell me the 2-digit number which is a perfect square as well as perfect cube? 64. हाँ जी, कुछ और भी आ रहा था, है कुछ और नंबर? मुड़ने के बाद बोलते हो तुम. 64 इज 8 स्क्वायर और ये क्यूब किसका है? 4 क्यूब. तो यू राइट, लिख लो. 64 is the only 2-digit number which is a perfect square number as well as perfect cube number. हाँ, तीनों स्टेटमेंट के बेस पे भी है. दिस इज नॉट डेटा सफिशिएंसी. स्टेटमेंट में दो तरह के क्वेश्चन आते हैं, वेयर वी हैव टू यूज इंफॉर्मेशन एंड वेयर वी हैव टू चेक डेटा सफिशिएंसी. आई विल कवर दैट, डोंट वरी. तीनों स्टेटमेंट यूज करते हुए यू हैव टू टेल मी व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ n. n is 64. n 64 is the only 2-digit number which is a perfect square as well as perfect. Last year I told the student कि this 64 can be asked in any of the form. They have asked. इस साल एक क्वेश्चन था on a 2-digit number which is a perfect square as well as perfect. Same नहीं था. Now next question. Find the value of n. You have to use all the 3 statements. Statement number 1, n is a 3-digit number. Statement number 2, number of factors of n are odd. Third statement, n is a perfect cube number. हाँ जी, थैंक यू फॉर रॉन्ग आंसर. लिख लो. If you can remember, wonderful. अदरवाइज हाउ टू फाइंड, आई टेल यू. लिखो, हो गया आपका टाइम खत्म. 729 is the only 3-digit number which is a perfect square number as well as perfect cube number. (729) is the only 3-digit number which is a perfect square number as well as perfect cube number. 729 is 9 cube and 27 square. Cube वो 9 का है, square वो 27 का है. If you know, then it take 1 second. If you don't know, then how we will check? I tell you. First thing is n is a 3-digit number, but we have 100 to 999 all the 3-digit number. Then you club with this statement, n is a perfect cube number. Now tell me all the 3-digit number which are perfect cube number. Start with 125 because 64 is a 4 cube, but it is a 2-digit number. So the first 3-digit number which is a perfect cube number is 125, then 216, then 343. What is 8 cube? 512. What is 9 cube? 729. And what is 10 cube? 1000. But that is a 4-digit number. So it means if you have to check, अगर नहीं भी आता है, you have to check only this 5 number. आपको सिर्फ ये 5 ही नंबर चेक करना है. Because only these 5 number are 3-digit number and perfect cube number. 125, 216, 343, 512, 729. Have I asked you to remember 2 square to 25 square? Have you got 125 there? No. 11 square, 121, 12 square, 144. तो ये थी नहीं वैल्यू वहां पे. It is not a perfect square number. Have you got 216 in the table of a perfect square table? No, नहीं मिली होगी. What is 14 square? 196. What is 15 square? 225. बीच में 216 आया? नहीं आया. 343. Have you got 343 in the table of perfect square number? What is 17 square? What is 18 square? आवाज नहीं आ रही मेरे को, पीछे से नहीं आई. 18 square, sir. 324. What is 19 square? 361. Have you got 343 in a square table? No. 512. What is 24 square? 576. What is 23 square? तो बुरा नहीं लग रहा कि मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं, आप आंसर नहीं दे पा रहे, या कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता हमें? हाँ जी, 6. कोई नहीं, सब एक ही जगह स्टैंड कर रहे हैं ना, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. Have you got 512 in a square table? No, है ही नहीं वो, देख लेना. 529 होता है 23 स्क्वायर ना. So here 729 is the only 3-digit number which is a perfect square as well as perfect cube. It is 27 square and it is 9 cube. But where they have mentioned perfect square? Directly they have not mentioned. Indirectly they have mentioned number of factor of n are odd. This is the property of perfect square number. Number of factor of a perfect square number are odd. अगर मैंने बोल दिया ना n has 15 factor, you can directly conclude n is a perfect square number. अब किसका है वो नहीं पता. n has 11 factor, n has 9 factor, n has 7 factor, n has 5 factor, n has 3 factor. So you can directly say n is a perfect square number because only the perfect square number has number of factors odd. Whereas non-perfect square number of factors are even. Am I clear? चलो रिपीट करेंगे नहीं तो आप भूल जाएंगे. पहली ऑब्जर्वेशन सब बोलेंगे. Number of factors in a perfect square number are always odd. Second, number of factors in a non-perfect square number are always even. Now here you put heading number of factors. I tell you the short trick for number of factors. One method is we can do manually, but that is time consuming. So my duty is to tell you the short trick for number of factors if number is bigger. 100, 120, 150, 200, if we have to find number of factors. But for that shortcut, we need one thing called prime form. We have to express number in the prime form. You already know. If you have attended classes in 6th, 7th, 8th, if you have attended, you know. I tell you what is prime form. बताऊंगा समझ में आ जाएगा. Like here number is 24. Have you done this in school days? We take 2 common, 12. We take 2 common, 6. We take 2 common, 3. So can we express 24 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, or you can write 24 as 2 cube into 3 is to power 1. This is called prime form. इसी को prime form बोला जाता है. This is called prime form. Let us try one more, like 72. How we can express 72 in the prime form? 2 common 36, 2 common 18, 2 common 9, 3 common 3. So we can write 72 as 2 cube into 3 square. Category 1 student, you can use this method. Category 3 student, you can be fast in expressing the number in prime form. That you can. I will tell you how come. But here first I tell you the concept. This is called prime form. इस चीज को prime form बोलते हैं. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Now, so first thing is we have to express number in the prime form. What is prime form? N is equal to P1 is to power A into P2 is to power B into P3 is to power C, and you write this. N is equal to P1 is to power A into P2 is to power B into P3 is to power C, and so on. Where P1, P2, P3, these are distinct prime number. And A, B, C are their respective power. P1, P2, P3 are the distinct prime number. A, B, C are their respective power. Now you put heading number of factors. It is a shortcut for number of factors. And 3 question I will solve for you, 3 I will ask you so that you will be comfortable. What is the shortcut for number of factors? Power will be useful. This is A, so this is A plus 1. You have to add 1 here. multiply with b plus 1, multiply with c plus 1. In this power, you have to add 1, 1, 1 and multiply. I will take 3 examples step by step so that all of you can understand. Yes, this is okay. We have checked 24 as 8 factor. So I tell you with the help of this shortcut. 24. First, you have to express 24 in prime form. 2 common 12, 2 common 6, 2 common 3. So you can write 24 is 2 is to power 3 into 3 is to power 1. You have to take all these two together. So this 3 and 1 will help you. Our formula is a plus 1 into b plus 1. c plus 1 अगर c है तो c है ही नहीं इसमें. What is a? 3 is a. 3 जो पावर है वो a है यहाँ पे और b जो है 1 है. 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, 4 into 2, 8. 24 has 8 factors. क्या इशू आ रहा है स्क्रीन में? थोड़ा जूम आउट करना है कैमरा, थोड़ा सा ये कि बॉर्डर दिख से. I take 2 more example. Like 60. We have to express it in prime form. उसके बिना नहीं कर पाएंगे. We take 2 common 30. We take 2 common 15. We take 3 common 5. So 60 is equal to 2 is to power 2 into 3 is to power 1 into 5 is to power 1. थोड़ा और कर दो जूम आउट बॉर्डर. So here this power will help you. Our formula is a plus 1 into b plus 1 into c plus 1 and so on. So it is 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. In this power you have to add 1, 1 and multiply. This is 3 into 2 into 2. This is 6 into 2, 12. 60 has 12 factors. पूरे पैसे वसूल करोगे तुम. तुम्हारी गलतियां बहुत निकालनी पड़ रही है. 60 has 12 factors. Like I take 72. ठीक है. तो here 2 common 36, 2 common 18, 2 common 9, 3 common 3. But this is for category 1 student. How many of you know driving 4-wheeler? Not that automatic one, gear वाली. Automatic I feel like scooty. ठीक है, उसमें क्या ही वो है, gear वाली गाड़ी है ना. तो what is the process? First gear, second, third, fourth, fifth. So when you start like driving or you learn driving, so that will tell you कि you have to put first gear, second, third, fourth, fifth, step by step. I will do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, step by step. But once you are very good in driving, many people they drive like 1, 3, 5 also. 1 के बाद थर्ड गियर भी लगा देते हैं, थर्ड के बाद फिफ्थ भी लगा देते हैं. ठीक है, ऐसा भी होता है. That you have to do. Category 3 student, what I expect from your side, slowly and gradually try to eat up the steps. बीच में से steps आपने खत्म करने हैं. You have to be fast. You have to skip the steps according to your comfort zone. But I have category 1 student in my class, so I have to go step by step. मेरी तो compulsion है, मुझे हर question step by step solve करना होगा. But you don't have that compulsion. But Only compulsion is there should not be any mistake. आप जितनी कैलकुलेशन फास्ट कर सकते हैं करेंगे, आप जितना फास्ट जा सकते हैं जाएंगे, बट यू कांट कंप्रोमाइज ऑन एक्यूरेसी. If you are compromising on accuracy, go with the basic, go step by step, go according to category 1. अगर आप गलतियां कर रहे हो तो आप कैटेगरी 1 के हिसाब से ही चलो. स्पीड के मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे, मार्क्स किसके मिलेंगे? एक्यूरेसी के. बता ही देता हूं. लाइक वी हैव डिफरेंट स्टूडेंट. देयर आर द स्टूडेंट्स लाइक हियर, वेरी फास्ट, speed is really good. That student able to solve all the 80 question in 5 minutes, but only 2 correct. ठीक है, फिर क्या हुआ? मार्क्स मिलेंगे. And there are the students, they are very very slow. Like here, in 2 hours 120 minutes, they are able to solve only 20 questions, and all 20 correct. Maybe नंगा नाएगा क्या निचोड़ेगा कहते हैं. ठीक है, अगर सारे के सारे भी ठीक है, still your marks is 50 and we need 66 plus. But here, if you ask me, if you have a confusion between accuracies versus speed, first preference is accuracy. Speed के लिए कभी भी नंबर नहीं मिलते, नंबर मिलते तो accuracy के. When you give correct answer, then only you will get 2.5 marks. Here you take 4 minutes and give me correct answer, you get 2.5 marks. You take 1 minute and you give wrong answer, you will be awarded with negative marking because of this स्पीड. तो पहली प्रेफरेंस एक्यूरेसी है, सॉरी हाँ एक्यूरेसी है, दूसरी प्रेफरेंस स्पीड है. हम उल्टा चलते हैं, हम पहले स्पीड की तरफ भागते हैं, फिर हम ठीक करने की कोशिश करते हैं. ओके, स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली कैटेगरी 3 स्टूडेंट, व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल फॉलो 1 3 5 स्टेप नंबर 2, स्टेप नंबर 4 यू हैव टू स्किप. बट गाड़ी का इंजन नहीं सड़ना चाहिए. पता चला 1 से 3 में गाड़ी बंद हो रही है आपकी बार बार. इट हैज टू बी अ स्मूथ ट्रांजिशन. दैट इज द रूल. इफ इट इज नॉट, देन टेक हेल्प ऑफ सेकंड गियर, टेक हेल्प ऑफ सेकंड स्टेप. ठीक है जी. सो आई कम टू द कंसेप्ट, दिस इज कॉल्ड स्टेप बाय स्टेप. फर्स्ट गियर, सेकंड गियर, थर्ड गियर, फोर्थ गियर, फिफ्थ गियर. बट वेयर एज कैटेगरी 3 स्टूडेंट, you can break the number and express in the prime form. No need to follow this process because I know 72 is 8 into 9. आप अपने माइंड में you can break this number as 8 into 9. What is 8? 2 cube. What is 9? 3 square. You come to know the same thing, 2 cube into 3 square in less time. But don't do mistake. अगर prime form ही गलत है, you will get wrong answer. I guarantee you. You have to be fast, slowly. All of you, even category 1 also, you will be at this stage, but not today, maybe after 3 months. Yeah, आप भी गाड़ी दौड़ाओगे maybe 3 महीने बाद. So I take 72. How I express 72 in the prime form? 2 cube into 3 square. According to our concept in power, we have to add 1 and multiply 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. This is 4 into 3, 12. 72 has 12 factor. So what you have to do, you have to express number in the prime form. Then our formula is a plus 1 into b plus 1 into c plus 1. Fine. I ask you 3 questions. Try step by step and keep your answer with yourself, especially category 3 student. $50, $100, $120. You have to find number of factors of 50. You have to find number of factors of 100. You have to find number of factors of 120. Done. 50 has how many factor? So this is 2 into 25, 2 is to power 1 into 5 square. You can use that school method or directly. So it is 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. So it is 2 into 3, 6. 50 has 6 factors. 100 has how many factors? 9. 100 I can express as 4 into 25. So it is 2 square into 5 square. If you are not comfortable, take 2 common, 2 common, 5 common, 5. It is 2 square into 5 square. So it is 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. This is 3 into 3, 9. Because 100 is a perfect square number. That's why 100 number of factors of 100 are odd, 9. Because 100 perfect square number. 120. I can write it as 4 into 30 या 8 into 15 या बार ऐसे भी हो सकता है 4 into 2 into 15 ये बन जाएगा 8 into 3 into 5 so 2 is to power 3 into 3 is to power 1 into 5 is to power 1 or we can use school method. We take 2 common 60, we take 2 common 30, we take 2 common 15, we take 3 common 5. So if we express 120 in the prime form, 120 is expressed as 2 is to power 3 into 3 is to power 1 into 5 is to power 1. So now here it is 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So it is 4 into 2 into 2, 16. 120 has 16 factors. You try 2 more questions, then I take some of the factors. 80, 64. Done. What is your answer? 80, like here we take 2 common 40, 2 common 20, we take 2 common 10, 2 common 5, 2 is to power 4 into 5 is to power 1, 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, this is 5 into 2, 10. Now here in case of 64, how many of you got answer 16? है कुछ लोग? No, 16. Some student they do mistake, I tell you. And I tell you so that later on you will not repeat that mistake. थोड़ा ध्यान से समझना. Some student what they do, they think 64 is 8 into 8. They write it as 2 cube into 2 cube. They take it as 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. And they write it as 4 into 4, 16. Tell me what is the mistake here. देखो ध्यान से पढ़ना, रूल को ध्यान से पढ़ना. P1, P2, P3, these are the distinct prime number. जितने भी 2 है उनको एक साथ लिखना है. You can't express 64 as 2 cube into 2 cube. Actually 64 is 2 is to power 6. This is the wrong prime form. हर 2 को एक साथ लिखना है. You can't write 2 cube into 2 cube separately. It is actually 2 is to power 6. जितने भी 2 है वो एक साथ एक्सप्रेस होंगे. P1 and P2 has to be different prime number. P1 और P2 same हो ही नहीं सकते. P1, P2, P3 has to be different prime number. तो ये 2 और 2 is wrong. Okay. So जितने भी 2 है that you have to express together. 64 is 2 common 32, 2 common 16, 2 common 8, 2 common 4, 2 common 2. 64 is 2 is to power 6. This is the correct prime form. And how many factor? 6 plus 1, 7. 64 has 7 factors. Be careful, P1, P2, P3, these are the distinct prime number. ठीक है, P1, P2 सेम नहीं हो सकते. P1, P2, P3 has to be different prime numbers. अच्छा, if any one of you express 64 as 4 cube and we'll say number of factor is 3 plus 1, 4, then what is the row? 4 is not a prime number. 4 prime number ही नहीं है. It is not a prime form. It should be prime number. So you have to express it as 2 is to power 6. Be careful. P1, P2, P3 has to be prime number and different prime number. Is this clear? Any doubt in number of factors? Next is sum of factors. You have two choice. First choice, three choice even. First choice is you take all the factors manually. मैनुअली सारे फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे. जैसे 24 के हैं, factors of 24 is 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6, and you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12 plus 24. It is a small number you can afford, but if it is a bigger number it will be difficult. This is first choice. You take all the factors manually and you add manually all the factors without formula. Second option is I give the short trick. उतनी easy नहीं है like what we have for number of factors, but it is not that difficult also. You have to be careful here. पहले ही बता रहा हूं. Third option is you can skip the question. बट इन्हीं में स्किप करने जाओगे तो फिर पीएनसी में क्या करोगे या कुछ और टॉपिक में क्या करोगे. तो आई डोंट थिंक कि फॉर दिस इजी टॉपिक यू यूज योर लाइक योर लाइफ लाइन. ठीक है, आपकी लाइफ लाइन है. इजी क्वेश्चन में नहीं यूज कर सकते आप. यू कैन स्किप द क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, कभी मैं बताऊंगा प्रॉपर एनालिसिस की. लाइक हियर डोंट टारगेट ऑल द 80 क्वेश्चंस. सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू स्किप, बट दैट इज ओनली डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन, नॉट इजी क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, लाइफलाइन गलत जगह नहीं यूज करनी. तो हियर फॉर्मूला, लेट मी टेल यू, लेट मी टेक 5 एग्जांपल. यू विल बी कंफर्टेबल. थोड़ा सा इट विल टेक टाइम टू रिमेंबर. हियर ऑल्सो वी हैव टू एक्सप्रेस नंबर इन द प्राइम फॉर्म. P1 is to power A into P2 is to power B into P3 is to power C and so on. What is the sum of factors? Here we have numerator, denominator. Numerator here will be P1 is to power A plus 1. In power we add 1. Minus 1 divided by denominator P1 minus 1. I repeat, multiply. It is P2. So it will be P2 is to power B plus 1 from this entire value minus 1 divided by P2 minus 1. Same here. P3 is to power C plus 1 minus 1 P3 minus 1. You write the formula. Let me take 3-4 example. With the help of example, we remember the formula. ये भी एक तरीका होता है कि 3-4 एग्जाम्पल प्रैक्टिस कर लो so that you will able to remember the formula. I take first example 24. ठीक है, we have to find some of the factors of 24. 24 is 2 is to power 3 into 3 is to power 1. We already know. This is the prime form of 24. You can try with school method. Now here it is 2 is to power 3 plus 1. यह फॉर्मूला लिख देता हूं. P1 is to power A plus 1 minus 1 upon P1 minus 1 into P2 is to power B plus 1 from this entire value minus 1 P2 minus 1. 2 is to power 3 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 into 3 is to power 1 plus 1 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. It is 2 is to power 4 minus 1 upon 1 into 3 is to power 2 minus 1 upon 2. This is 16 minus 1 upon 1. This is 9 minus 1 upon 2. This is 15. 8 upon 2. 4. What is 15 into 4? 60. You write step by step. ठीक है, 2-3 एग्जाम्पल स्टेप बाय स्टेप लिख लेना, फिर यू कैन गो. 3 to 4 एग्जाम्पल आई विल सॉल्व. देन आई आस्क यू 3-4 क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, नो इशू. बहुत टाइम है हमारे पास. पांच बजे वाले बैच का यही फायदा होता है कि आफ्टर दैट यू डोंट हैव एनी अदर क्लास. बट इफ यू हैव सम अदर क्लास देन दिस क्लास डजंट मैटर टू यू. ठीक है, कुछ और क्लास है आपकी, फिर ये क्लास आपके लिए मतलब भी नहीं है, फिर आप क्लास में भी नहीं आएंगे. तो इसलिए 10-15 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा भी लग जाएंगे. आई टेक 5-6 एग्जाम्पल सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, लाइक आई टेक 48. 2 common 24, 2 common 12, 2 common 6, 2 common 3. So first thing is prime form is 2 is to power 4 into 3 is to power 1. Go slow, step by step. According to our formula, it will be 2 is to power 4 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, P1 minus 1 into 3 is to power 1 plus 1 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. Now here 2 is to power 5 minus 1 upon 1. This is 3 is to power 2 minus 1 upon 2. This is 32 minus 1 upon 1. This is 9 minus 1 upon 2. This is 31. This is 8 upon 2, 4. What is 31 into 4? 124. So if you take all the factors of 48 and add, your total will come 124. Step by step. I take 2 more example. 36. ठीक है, प्राइम फॉर्म 2 कॉमन 18, 2 कॉमन 9, 3 कॉमन 3. So 36 here is 2 square into 3 square. According to our shortcut, it is 2 is to power 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. Then it is 3 is to power 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. Two is to power 3 minus 1 upon 1. 3 is to power 3 minus 1 upon 2. This is 8 minus 1 upon 1. This is 27 minus 1 upon 2. This is 7. 26 upon 2 is 13. Tell me what is 7 into 13? 91. If you take all the factor of 36 and add, your total will come 91. P1 is to power A plus 1 minus 1 upon P1 minus 1. P2 is to power B plus 1 minus 1 upon P2 minus 1. I take one more example, like 100. 2 common 50, 2 common 25, 5 common 5. So this 100 here is prime form is 2 square into 5 square. Now here this is 2 is to power 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. 5 is to power 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon 5 minus 1. You have to just understand this. After that, it is just you have to have patience. Step by step you have to solve if you are category 1. If you are category 3, you can skip 1 or 2 step in between. आप थोड़ा fast भी जा सकते हैं, depend on your comfort zone. 2 is to power 3 minus 1 upon 1. 5 is to power 3 minus 1 upon 4. What is 2 is to power 3? 8 minus 1 upon 1. This is 125 minus 1 upon 4. 7. 124 upon 4, which is 31. What is 7 into 31? 207. Only this thing you have to remember. The rest you have to do the calculation. Try. I ask you 3 questions. Just try to remember the formula. CSET is about practice. CSET is like other sports. ठीक है, my duty is like a coach. नीरज चोपड़ा आपको ही बनना है, डेवलिन आपको ही फेंकना है, मैं नहीं फेंकने जाऊंगा आपके बिहाफ पे आपके पेपर में. You have to do your practice. If you will not do the practice, this shortcut will remain our shortcut. वो आपके shortcut कभी बनेंगे ही नहीं. You have to practice so that the things we are discussing in the class, you will able to observe, digest, remember. 64. Easy number दे दिया. 64. You have to find the sum of the factors of 64. कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है, वर्ड टाइप ही नहीं करना आपने. कंफ्यूजन, फोबिया, ये सब वर्ड है ही नहीं डिक्शनरी में. काय का कंफ्यूजन है? Fine. What is your answer? 127, because it is 2 is to power 6. So it will be 2 is to power 6 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. So 2 is to power 7 minus 1 upon 1. What is 2 is to power 7? 128 minus 1 upon 1. It is 127 upon 1. So our answer is 127. Simple था. '81. Find sum of the factors of 81. What is 81? 3 is to power 4. So if it is 3 is to power 4, so this 3 is to power 4 plus 1 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. It is 3 is to power 5 minus 1 upon 2. This is, what is 3 is to power 5? 243. So this is 242 upon 2. This is 121. Now 60 नहीं किया ना अब तक. 60. Find sum of the factors of 60. टेस्ट पेपर दे दो. You will get handout. Online student, we will upload on portal. The 3 pages, there is a content which we already discussed in the basic classes, number chart. Okay, there are some of the definition, rational, irrational number, divisibility. There are the formulas. Arithmetic equation formula a square plus a plus b whole square. Okay. Odd plus odd even. Sum of the first n natural number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Page number 4, there is a test. इसके लास्ट पेज पे चले जाना. There are 7 question. ठीक है, you have to do. उससे पहले I take this 2 common 30, 2 common 15, 3 common 5. 60 is 2 is to power 2 into 3 is to power 1 into 5 is to power 1. Here 2 is to power 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. 3 is to power 1 plus 1 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. 5 is to power 1 plus 1 minus 1 upon 5 minus 1. This is 2 is to power 3 minus 1 upon 1. 3 is to power 2 minus 1 upon 2. 5 is to power 2 minus 1 upon 4. What is 2 is to power 3? 8. 8 minus 1 upon 1. This is 9 minus 1 upon 2. This is 25 minus 1 upon 4. This is 7 upon 1, 8 upon 2, 24 upon 4. It gives you 6. It gives you 4. So it is 7 into 24. What is 7 into 24? 168. If you got other than 168, just check where you have done mistake. Now, online student, we have uploaded this handout on the portal. Okay. Page number 1, this is the number chart which we already discussed. Page number 2, there are the definition which I already covered. Divisibility we have covered in detail. Then these are the formulas which you have to remember. This table you have to remember. This table you have to remember. Then page number 4, you have 7 questions. This is your today's test. Take your time. Okay. We have these 7 questions. Let me clear one thing. The things I will cover in the class, it is not necessary exactly same I will ask in the class test, but that will be useful. जो हम क्लास में पढ़ेंगे वो आपको अप्लाई करना आना चाहिए. And for our test series we have a separate team. ठीक है? Don't expect that exactly same question will come in our test series, क्योंकि यूपीएससी में भी नहीं होने वाला वो. So what we want कि you have to have your mind with you, concept with you, similar questions also you are able to manage. आपको अपना mind खुला रखना है, रटना नहीं है कि same question नहीं आएगा, similar question आएगा, and that concept will help you to solve the question. ठीक है, try, and you have to give all the test. Like yesterday in our mentorship, GS mentorship program, one of the student told, "Sir, I don't know the thing. Can I read only the answers?" I told you have to give the test daily. We give 25 questions related to prelims. If your score is 0, doesn't matter. But you have to give the test because you have to improve. जब तक टेस्ट नहीं दोगे ना, हमें अपनी औकात नहीं पता चलेगी. हमें पता रहना चाहिए कि हम कितने पानी में. So that is your problem, sir. Have you attended yesterday lecture? So then it's okay. उसी के ऊपर टेस्ट है ये. कल वाले लेक्चर पे ही टेस्ट है ये. तो गलत कर रहे हो ना. मिलना क्लास के बाद. If every month there is not improvement in your performance, there is something wrong with your strategy, with your preparation. Yes, I repeat, Divya, you write 729. Yes, I will repeat at the end of the class. No problem. End of the class, I will tell you. I left with one thing, product of the factors, which I will cover tomorrow. ठीक है? ठीक है? हो गया? लो. देखो ये मत समझना इफ यू विल डू टेस्ट फास्ट एंड देयर आर मिस्टेक, आपको कुछ चॉकलेट वॉकलेट मिलने वाली है. मेक श्योर देयर इज नो मिस्टेक. सर जी 2 गलत हो गए आपके. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. टू गलत है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 गलत है. वन गलत है, 2 गलत है, 3 गलत है. ठीक है. 6 गलत है. ठीक बता दो कौन कौन से है. चलो. 4th ठीक है, 5th ठीक है, 7 ठीक है. 4 5 7. पहला गलत है, दूसरा गलत है, पहला दूसरा गलत है. आंसर निकालना, बस आंसर ऑप्शन सामने रखे हैं. इससे बड़ा नंबर नहीं है कि जो 88 से डिवाइड हो रहा दिए हुए आंसर ऑप्शन में से. 4 गलत है, 5 गलत है, 6 गलत है, 4 5 6। Okay, fine. Take 2 more minutes. I will give you answer on the board. चलो जी, fine. Sorry. Online students done. I give you the answer. Self evaluation है, आपको खुद evaluate करना है. Make it a rule. There is no harm if you are scoring 0. What is more harmful if you are skipping the class test? Online student. ठीक है, ऑफलाइन वालों को तो हम जाने ही नहीं देंगे क्लास में बीच में. Question number 1, answer is A, 2. Many students they mark answer D because they have not read question properly. It is asked what list number must be added, not subtracted. उसमें क्या add करें so that it is exactly divisible by 23. Question number 2, out of the 4 answer option, check from the answer option directly. Answer option A, 9944 is exactly divisible by 88. Question number 3, answer C, 2. Question number 4, answer A, 1035. Question number 5, answer D, 7. Question number 6, answer C, 8 and 5. Question number 7, answer A, 3. Okay. I will share some practice question on Telegram like yesterday. Okay, some practice questions so that you can practice factors and all these things. Solution किसका? कल वाले का? कल वालों में? हाँ, अभी तो मैं ले रहा हूं. Now I tell you what is the style. Those who are not having any doubt in the lecture, any doubt in this class test, they can leave the class. I give you 2-3 minute time. आप class leave कर सकते हैं. Even online student also. Those who are having doubt in this test, doubt in the lecture, you have to wait. कल नंबर सिस्टम ओनली, स्क्वेयर्स, मल्टीपल ऑफ फैक्टर्स, स्क्वेयर्स, स्क्वेयर्स के ऊपर ऑब्जर्वेशन. मैंने डाल दिया टेलीग्राम पे. I have already shared the answer of yesterday practice question which I have shared on Telegram only. उसके आंसर मैं टेलीग्राम पे डाल ही चुका हूं ऑलरेडी. हाँ मैं ले रहा हूं क्वेश्चन नंबर. हाँ जी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 6. Question number 1 and 6. Any other question? 2. Let me take 1, 2, 3, 6. Then if you have any other doubt, then you can ask me. जिसके doubt नहीं है, they can skip the class. I take question number 1. Online also you can wait. Don't worry. Question number 1 is, what list number must be added to 1056 so that the sum is completely divisible by 23? 23 divisibility rule I have not told you, so you have to use school method. जिस भी नंबर का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल मैंने नहीं बताया और कोप्राइम नहीं यूज हो रहा, तो स्कूल मेथड यूज करना है. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, 1056 वी ट्राई टू डिवाइड इट बाय 23. What is 23 fours? 92. Then you get 31136. 115. 21. Your remainder is 21. There are two methods. Method 1 is 1056 is 21 extra. But it is not what should be subtracted. It is not must. What is the list number must be added. See, what is the gap? 2 का ही तो gap है. If you add 2 here, it becomes 23. Remainder is 21, but it should be 23 or multiple of 23. It should be divisible by 23. So you have 21. What is the gap? 2. So you add 2. You can try cross check. 1058. If you add 2 here, it will be 1058. You check if it is exactly divisible by 23, yes or no. 23 fours are 92, 138, 23 six are 138. Yes, it is exactly divisible. So here in 1056 we have to add 2. What should be added? You have to read question carefully. What should be added? Subtracted 21 because it is 21 extra. So what should be subtracted? 21. But there is a catch in the question. What must be added? So 21 में क्या कम है so that it will be a multiple of 23? 2. 2 की कमी है. So you add 2, you will get a multiple of 23. So what must be added? 2. Next is question number 2. The largest 4-digit number exactly divisible by 88. Common mistake student they do, they see answer option D, 8888. But it is the largest 4-digit number? No. Answer options are available. Out of the answer option, you see the largest number available, 9988. How we check divisibility of 88? 8 and 11. You check if it is divisible by 8. You find it is not divisible by 8. 8, 18, 16, 28, 24, remainder is 4. It is not divisible by 8. If 9988 is not divisible by 8, so it is not divisible by 88. Then what is the second largest number out of the answer option? 9944. We will check if this given number is divisible by 88, 8 and 11, 9 plus 4, 13, 9 plus 4, 13. Yes, it is divisible by 11. Only the thing you have to check if it is divisible by 8, for divisibility of 8, you have to check last 3 digit. So you divide it by 8, 8, 1, 4, 8, 6, 4, 64. So here 9,944 is the largest 4-digit number available out of the answer option, which is exactly divisible by 88. 8888 भी हो रहा है, but वो largest 4-digit number नहीं है. So what is the largest 4-digit number available here out of the answer option? From the answer option you can check. See today's handout, most of the question you can use answer options and you get answer. अगर नहीं भी आता तो भी आंसर ऑप्शन यूज हो रहे हैं. हाँ जी, हाँ वो भी कर सकते हो. एक्चुअली द कंसेप्ट इज व्हाट इज द लार्जेस्ट 4-digit नंबर, 9999 divided by 88. So it is 88, 119, 88. Then you get 139. What is 88 3s are 250, 264. What is your remainder? 5, 5. So it is 55 extra. 9999 minus 55 is exact multiple of 88, which is 999. So you take the largest. What is the largest 4-digit number? 9999. उसको 88 से डिवाइड करके देखो, स्कूल मेथड से ही कर लो. Your remainder 55. You subtract 55 so that you get exact multiple of 88. But no need. Answer options are available. You can use answer options. Answer options are also available. Question number 3. Question number 3 here is, if the number 517 star 324 is completely divisible by 3, then the smallest whole number in the place of star will be. Okay, it should be divisible by 3. So here we write here 517 star 324. 5 plus 1 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus star. 6, 13, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 22. 22 में छोटी से छोटी वैल्यू, the smallest whole number we can add so that it become a multiple of 3. 2, 22 plus 2, 24. So you add 2 here, you get 24. It is a multiple of 3. So at place of star, the smallest whole number we can use is 2. क्योंकि the total should be divisible by 3. तो यहाँ पे 2 fit बैठ रहा है. Sum of the digit you can check, including the star. Someone asked question number 4. I think this is the easiest. Sum of us 45 natural number. What is the formula of sum of us n natural number? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. So it is 45 into 46 divided by 2. If you solve this, this is 1030. Simple. This is direct formula based question. Now here I take question number 6. Then any other doubt you can ask me. Let me take question number 6. Question number 6 here is, (476 star star 0) means there are 2 digit will come at place of star by both, divisible by both 3 and 11. The non-zero digit in the 110 place are respectively. Answer options are available. Answer option available है. So what you can do, use answer option. 476 star star 0. It should be divisible by 3 and 11 both. Try first answer option. What is first answer option? 7 and 4. You put 7 and 4 respectively. If you mark answer option A, it means it should be 7 and 4. Cross check. Correct है कि गलत है. We will check divisibility of 3. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 7, 24. Plus 4, 28. Is 28 divisible by 3? No. So it means 7 and 4 is wrong. If you replace it with 7 and 4, it is not divisible by 3. Then answer option B. 7 and 5. If you replace this number with 7 and 5, check if it is divisible by 3. 4 plus 7, 11, 17, 24, 29. Is 29 divisible by 3? No. So here 7 and 5 is also wrong. Then we check answer option C, 8 and 5. Now you replace this digit with 8 and 5 respectively. So here what is this? 4 plus 7, 11 plus 6, 17, 25 plus 5, 30. 30 is exactly divisible by 3. Yes. Check 11 also. If you check divisibility of 11, 0, 8, 7. 7 plus 8 plus 0, 4 plus 6 plus 5, 15 minus 15, 0. If the difference of the sum of odd place and even place digit is 0, yes, it is divisible by 11. So here when you replace 100 place and 10 place with 8 and 5, you find this number is divisible by 3 as well as 11. Any other doubt? Fine. Tomorrow I will take product of the factor. I tell you squares. Okay? And I tell you observation on squares. Squares के ऊपर मैं observation आपको बताऊंगा. हाँ होगा. A00A वो भी होगा. 7, 11, 13 तीनों से होगा. हाँ तीनों पे.
और आपने एक्सप्लेन किया उसमें डाउट ये 2 कहाँ से आ रहा है?
1/3. This is 6. So multiply with 6. Then 6 divided by 3 give you 2.
इसमें सेम करना है सब.
हाँ.
सब इसमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगी.
Multiplication में तो directly we multiply. Only for addition or subtraction we do this. On our YouTube channel, there are the basic lecture. 4 on number system, 1 on percentage, 1 on ratio average. You have to check those. YouTube पे है. अगर आप गणेश को you just ask Ganesh, we'll provide you the link. We'll tell you. You do that, then you will understand.
सर हमें फैक्टर को कैसे प्रेजेंट करें?
इसमें ना इन 3 क्वेश्चंस में ना we use division method, which I will teach in your batch later. I will teach. एक बड़ा मेथड है डिवीजन मेथड, हो जाएगा उससे.
इसमें बोला n से
n 3 से बड़ा है, 3 से डिवाइड होता है और 6 से नहीं होता, तो n क्या हो जाएगा? 9.
लेकिन 15 भी हो सकता है सर.
ए डिजिट 2 डिजिट होता फिर.
अच्छा तो इसलिए
हाँ, फिर लिखा होता है n इज अ 2 डिजिट नंबर. Okay. Online student Divya, I explain the concept. I will take question number 7. I explain the concept of 729. 729 is the only 3-digit number which is a perfect square number as well as perfect cube number. It is 9 cube, and you remember this is 27 square. There can be a direct question in your exam on 720. That is the concept. 729 is the only 3-digit number which is a perfect cube as well as perfect square number. I take question number 7. Okay. Question number 7 here is, if the number 97215 star 6 is completely divisible by 11, then the smallest whole number in place of star will be. If you are comfortable concept, okay, otherwise use answer option. तो आंसर ऑप्शन यूज कर सकते थे. ट्राई 3 here. पहले आंसर ऑप्शन ट्राई कर लो. तो देन यू गेट 6 plus 5 plus 2 plus 9, 9 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 on one side, 7, 1 and 3 on other side. This is 11, 16, 22. This is 11. If the difference is 0, 11 or multiple of 11, yes, it is divisible by 11. You use answer option. Online student, आप answer options use कर सकते हो. पूजा, you can try answer option. Tamanna, what is your doubt in question number 1 of today's class handout? Do you know like school method for divisibility of 23? See here 1056, you try to divide by school method. This is 92, 136, it is 115. Your remainder is 21. I think you know this concept. So what should be subtracted? 21. अगर subtract करना है so then it is 21. But what should be added? Like you have 21 chocolate, but you should have 23 chocolate. What should be added in your stock? आपको कितनी chocolate और चाहिए होंगी so that it will be a multiple of 23? You need 2. So you should add 2 in this number so that it will be completely divisible by 23. Okay? तमन्ना. Fine. हाँ जी.
हाँ सर, मुझे कुछ बात करनी है सर. थोड़ा सा टाइम मैनेजमेंट का इशू हो रहा है.
4:30 आ जाओ कल.
हाँ
ठीक है, क्लास से पहले मिल लेना.
ठीक है. फिर छोटी जगह में
हाँ बताओ
सर, क्योंकि अभी सीसेट की जो असाइनमेंट्स है और जो क्योंकि अभी मेरा भी बेस
और क्या चल रहा है. सीसेट के अलावा क्या चल रहा है?
ज्योग्राफी चलनी चाहिए.
वो तो डीजीएमपी में चल रही है. उसके अलावा कुछ और चल रहा है?
हाँ, फाउंडेशन कर रहा हूँ. मतलब फाउंडेशन कर रहा हूँ. मैं अपना खुद से सोशियोलॉजी पढ़ रहा हूँ.
अपना ऑप्शनल पढ़ रहे हो. तो अभी आप क्या कर रहे हो? आपके 4 घंटे जाएंगे सीसेट में क्लास और प्रैक्टिस के साथ. 2 घंटे जाएंगे ऑप्शनल में. 6 घंटे आपको जीएस के लिए निकालने हैं. ठीक है, उसमें से 1 घंटा चलो न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ लेना. 5 घंटे बचे. 5 घंटे में क्या करो? पढ़ो. पढ़ना है, मेहनत तो करनी है. अगर डेली का टारगेट नहीं अचीव हो रहा, घास नहीं काटनी. ऐसा नहीं कि छोड़ेंगे. दूसरों से मत देखो कि हमारा ये टारगेट था, हमारा नहीं है. ये अच्छे से करना है. 20 दिन में नहीं होगा तो 30 दिन में करेंगे. अभी वर्कआउट करो संडे तक. सबको मैंने टाइम दिया. ठीक है, संडे तक चीजें मैनेज करने की कोशिश करो. नहीं हो रही तो दूसरा प्लान होता है 2 दिन का काम 3 दिन में. फिर एक और प्लान होता है 1 दिन का काम 2 दिन में. लेकिन हमें साथ के साथ आप अपना ऑप्शनल कर रहे हो. हमें 20 दिन में अगर एक सब्जेक्ट नहीं खत्म हो पा रहा, हम 1 महीने में करेंगे. लेकिन ऐसा करेंगे कि बाद में डिस्टर्ब ना करें. तो आप एक काम कर सकते हो, आप 2 दिन लो. पहले दिन पढ़ो, अगले दिन उसके क्वेश्चन लगाओ, फिर उस क्वेश्चन में जो जो गलतियां कर रहे हो वो रिवाइज करो, और दूसरे दिन उसके मेंस के आंसर लिखो. ऐसा कर लो. जो अपना टारगेट है ना, हमारे टारगेट में क्या है? आपको एक टॉपिक देते हैं डेली का पढ़ने का. उसके बाद उस पर 25 क्वेश्चन देते हैं. उस पर 2 मेंस के आंसर लिखने के लिए देते हैं. ठीक है, उसमें मे भी 7 से 8 घंटे लग जाते हैं पूरे काम में. उतना हमारे पास है नहीं कि आपको ऑप्शनल पढ़ना है, सीसेट पढ़ना. तो आप क्या करो, टुडे जो आज आपका टॉपिक है वो पढ़ लिया. कल नया टॉपिक नहीं पढ़ो, उसका टेस्ट दो. 25 क्वेश्चन
आज खत्म, कल पे जो आधा काम कल पे डाल दो.
आधा काम आज, आधा काम कल. ऐसे थोड़ा डिले चलेगा, कोई इश्यू नहीं है, लेकिन काम अच्छा होगा. लेकिन फिर जब सीसेट खत्म हो जाएगा, आप ये मत देखो हम ना भागते हैं कि 20 दिन में खत्म करना है. 20 दिन में नहीं, अच्छे से खत्म करना है. 20 की बजाय 30 दिन में हो, 40 दिन में. मैं आपको ज्योग्राफी छोड़ने नहीं दूंगा जब तक मेरे को रिजल्ट नहीं आए. बस वही करना है.
मेरा फेवरेट सर
है ना. आपको क्या करना है, अगर आप डेली का टारगेट नहीं मैनेज कर पा रहे तो संडे को डिस्कस करेंगे अल्टरनेट वे कि हम क्या करेंगे. 1 दिन का काम 2-2 दिन में करेंगे. ठीक है, फिर हमारा क्या होगा, ग्रुप से अलग चलेंगे, कोई इशू नहीं, लेकिन अच्छे से चलेंगे. सबके साथ वही है.
समझ गया.
जो जिसकी कोई क्लास नहीं चल रही वो तो मैनेज कर सकता है. जो सिर्फ जीएस कर रहा है, थोड़ा बहुत ऑप्शनल कर रहा है, उसके लिए तो मैनेजेबल है. जो क्लास कर रहा है, ऑप्शनल कर रहा है, उसके लिए टारगेट मैनेजेबल नहीं है. तो उनको क्या करना है, उनका 2 दिन का काम 3 दिन में करना है या 1 दिन का काम 2 दिन में करना है. व्हाट यू डू, आप 1 दिन का काम 2 दिन में करके देखो कंफर्टेबल हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा.
ठीक है, ऐसा
फिर हम 20 दिन का काम 40 दिन में कर लेंगे. 1.5 महीने में हमारा एक सब्जेक्ट बहुत अच्छे से हो जाएगा. फिर अगले 1.5 महीने में 2 सब्जेक्ट कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे. फिर उसके बाद सी सेट क्लास खत्म हो चुकी होंगी, ऑप्शनल खत्म हो चुका होगा, फिर हमारी स्पीड बढ़ जाएगी, लेकिन काम करने का तरीका पता
थोड़ा
चल
सा
जाएगा।
मैंने भी ऑल्टरनेटिव निकाला है, सैटरडे संडे हमारी सीसेट की क्लासेस नहीं है,
हाँ तो उस दिन
तो
एक्स्ट्रा
उस
कर
दिन
लो।
मैं एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ूंगा, ठीक है। और डेली की डेली मैं एक चीज सोशियोलॉजी जरूर पढ़ रहा हूँ,
ठीक
कि
है,
वो चीज रखो एटलीस्ट, क्योंकि ऑप्शनल है, क्योंकि वो तो मेरे ऊपर ही है
छोड़ना
सारा।
नहीं है, एक दिन का काम 2 दिन में कर लो भले ही,
ठीक है,
लेकिन करना उसी तरीके से जैसे बताया गया
वैसे ही होगा सर।
है ना,
तो
मेहनत
वही
करनी
वैसे ही
है।
अपने जो मैं स्टैंडर्ड
पढ़ना है,
हाँ,
मैं आपको बताता हूँ, पढ़ना है,
हाँ,
उसके बाद 25 क्वेश्चन लगाने हैं, 25 क्वेश्चन का एनालिसिस करना है, फिर वो रिवाइज करना है,
ठीक है।
ताकि वो गलती दोबारा से ना हो। 2 आंसर लिखने हैं मेंस के, फीडबैक मिलेगा, उसको इम्प्रूव करना है अगली बार में। 20 दिन का टारगेट है, 40 दिन में हो जाएगा। उसके बाद एक फुल लेंथ टेस्ट मिलेगा, फिर उसमें वीक एरिया आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, ज्योग्राफी हो जाएगा बढ़िया
समझ
से।
गया।
फिर अगला सब्जेक्ट अच्छे से करेंगे।
ठीक है।
ठीक है, चलो बहुत अच्छा। अरे गॉड ब्लेस यू। लगे रहो, लगे रहना कंटिन्यूअसली। If you are learning only 5 things out of 10, you are learning. If you are learning 10 out of 10, there will be a stage you will understand each and everything. You will able to solve all the questions. But continuity is important. Okay, students, continuity is important. Sir, from which book we can practice more question of the topic which you have taught now? Tamanna, wait. Today by 10:30 p.m. Students, by 10:30 p.m. on Telegram, I will share practice question on factors. थोड़ा थोड़ा अभी थोड़ा सा लेवल।
अगर आज का टॉपिक आज क्वेश्चन से कल कल इस टॉपिक पे नहीं होंगे मेरे ख्याल से।
हाँ, आज के टॉपिक पे मैं घर पे टेलीग्राम पे एक क्वेश्चंस डालूंगा, नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स, सम ऑफ फैक्टर्स पे। फिर कल जो नया टॉपिक होगा उसके क्वेश्चंस आपको प्रैक्टिस।
हाँ, खत्म होने के बाद तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा फिर उसको रिविजिट करने के लिए।
स्टार्टिंग में इट इज फॉर 15 डेज।
याद नहीं होता
15 डेज का इशू है, उसके बाद यू विल एबल टू कोप। टीथिंग प्रॉब्लम है, स्टार्टिंग में दांत दर्द करते हैं ना बच्चों को, वो प्रॉब्लम होती है। बस 15 दिन का इशू है, 15 दिन थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा टाइम निकाल लो सब स्टूडेंट। प्रदीप, अगर आपको टेलीग्राम लिंक नहीं मिला है, व्हाट यू डू, यू व्हाट्सएप योर 8826619699, you WhatsApp your receipt on this number, they will share the link on WhatsApp। आपको WhatsApp पे लिंक मिल जाएगा। किसी भी ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट को अनाउंसमेंट में लिंक है, वहां पे अगर चेक करेंगे, अगर नहीं भी मिल रहा, ऑन दिस नंबर यू कैन WhatsApp योर रिसिप्ट, आवर टीम विल शेयर द लिंक। वहां पे अनाउंसमेंट सेक्शन है आपके पोर्टल पे, जस्ट चेक दैट। तमन्ना, कोई बुक फॉलो नहीं करनी है अभी, जब भी करनी होगी आई विल लेट यू नो। अभी तो लाइक व्हाट इज योर टास्क, लाइक द थिंग्स व्हाट आई हैव कवर्ड टुडे, यू रिवाइज by 10:30 p.m. I will share some extra question on practice on your telegram। कल मैं उसके आंसर भी शेयर कर दूंगा। लेट्स हैव दिस प्रोसेस, इसी प्रोसेस से चलते हैं, दैट विल बी बेटर। PCG, that is for percentage. Let me start percentage. Only PCG is not sufficient. PCG is a really wonderful thing. 50 to 60% of percentage questions we are able to handle with the help of PCG. But we should have other conceptual clarity also in percentage. Only PCG is not sufficient, but PCG is very important for our percentage topic. Percentage topic के लिए बहुत ही important है, that I can say. Fine. Any other doubt? Starting में there may be some teething problem to manage the thing, especially category 1 student, but within 15 days it will normalize. What I will do, the topic which I will teach, I will give you some practice question on Telegram or maybe on portal you will get। तो आपको मैं बता दूंगा, अभी मैं Telegram पे आज कुछ क्वेश्चन शेयर करूंगा, you have to practice those questions। बाकी आपको क्लास टेस्ट मिलते रहेंगे, you will get some handouts also, but you have to revise the lecture। Tomorrow I will tell you what is the way to revise, कैसे रिवाइज करना है। हिंदू और इंडियन एक्सप्रेस, इफ यू हैव लैंग्वेज प्रॉब्लम, इंडियन एक्सप्रेस, अदरवाइज हिंदू इज इंपॉर्टेंट। Hindu is the best if you can understand. But if you are not able to understand Hindu, then Indian Express. Don't waste your energy on Hindu. रुको, हाँ जी, ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट फाइन. हाउ मेनी टॉपिक कवर्ड अंडर जीएमए? लेट मी स्टार्ट प्रमोद. जीएमए स्टार्ट होने दो. अभी कुछ नहीं पता. दिस ईयर आई एम रिवाइजिंग माई कंटेंट, आई एम रिवाइजिंग माई हैंड आउट्स. ठीक है, पिछली बार वाले हैंड आउट नहीं यूज कर रहे, इस बार हैंड आउट रिवाइज कर रहे हैं सब. तो इस बार कुछ नहीं पता है अभी तो, बट इट इज गोइंग टू बी बेटर देन लास्ट ईयर, दैट इज श्योर. लास्ट ईयर के मुकाबले चीजें बेटर रहेंगी because it will be on latest pattern and we are going to revise our material this year. इस साल हमारा मटेरियल रिवाइज होगा पूरा. ठीक है, चलो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू वेरी मच. सी यू टुमारो. बाय बाय.